Hi, welcome to CAD, CAM and more. In this episode, I will create a hammerhead using Loft features. A loft is a base, bus or cut created by connecting multiple cross sections or profiles. Okay, first create a new part by clicking on New on the standard toolbar. The planes in a Solidworks model are not always visible. However, you can display them. For this tutorial, it is helpful to display the front plane. To do this, go to the View menu under Hide Show, select Planes. Then in the Feature Manager design tree, right-click Front Plane and select Show. Then select Front Plane and then in the Reference Geometry toolbar, select Plane. This tool lets you create new planes. By looking at the Plane Property Manager, you can see that under reference plane, front plane is listed in the first reference. So you have to just set the distance to 25 millimeters and then click OK. And as you can see, a new plane called plane 1 is created in front of the front plane. Now select plane 1 and do the same procedure for the plane 1. Go to the reference geometry toolbar, select plane and create a new plane with 25 millimeters offset distance. You can create another offset plane by copying plane 2. To do this, hold Ctrl key, select an edge of plane 2 in the graphic area and drag to a location in front of plane 2. Then set the offset distance. Now select front plane, go to the sketch toolbar and select sketch tool and start sketching the profiles. Use line tool to draw a square. Using smart dimensions tool, add dimensions to your sketch and make it fully defined. When all of your sketch lines go from blue to black color, it means that your sketch is fully defined. Now exit sketch. Then select plane 1 and start a sketch on this plane. Use circle tool to draw a circle and then using smart dimensions tool, add dimensions to your drawing. And when you are done, click exit sketch. Now select plane 2 and start a sketch on this plane and draw another circle on the plane 2. This circle's center is on the origin and you should make the diameter of the circle coincident with the vertex of square. You may find it easier to see the sketch entities if the planes are not shaded. So click Options on the Standard toolbar. On the System Options tab, select Display and then clear Display Shaded Planes and click OK. Okay, now exit sketch and go to the isometric view. Next thing I'm going to show to you is how to copy a sketch from one plane to another to create another profile. To perform this operation, we need copy and paste icons on the standard toolbar. If you don't have these icons in your standard toolbar like me, just right click and click customize, then go to the shortcut bars tab, go to the standard, select copy and drag it on the to the standard toolbar. And do the same for the paste icon. Now select circle on the plane 2, copy it, and then select plane 3 and paste it on the plane 3. Then go to the Features tab and select Lofted Bus Base tool. Now to select profiles for our loft, in the graphics area, click near the same place on each profile. So the loft path travels in a straight line and does not get twisted. You should now have something like this. Now hold down Ctrl key and drag an edge of the front plane to create an offset plane behind the original front plane. Set offset distance to 200 millimeters and make sure that flip offset is selected so the new plane is created behind the front plane. Now with plane 4 selected, go to the sketch menu and select sketch tool. Click hidden lines removed on the heads up view toolbar. Then draw a narrow rectangle on plane 4. The Smart Dimensions tool to add the dimensions to your sketch. And when you are done, click Exit Sketch. Now go to the isometric view and then go to the Features tab and select Lofted Bus Base tool. In this step, we are going to create a loft using the narrow rectangle and this square at the end of the part. So select the narrow rectangle and this corner of the square. As you can see, the created loft has not the desired shape. So we should edit this. Delete face 1 from the profile and try again. Now we are good. In our next step, we are going to bend the part with the flex feature, but like copy and paste tools, we don't have flex feature icon, so we should add it. Right click here, select customize, go to the shortcut bars, then go to the features, find flex and drag it to the toolbar. Now click on flex and then select your part in the graphic area. Make sure bending is selected. Then under trim plane 2, click in select a reference entity for trim plane 2. And in the graphic area, select the vertex as shown in the video. This vertex here. And as you can see, trim plane 2 moves to the point that you have selected. We want only the materials between the trim planes move. But if you notice when you move the trim plane 2, all of the materials of our hammerhead move. So we should solve this problem. To solve the problem, right click the triad center sphere and select move triad to plane 2. Now if you move the trim plane 1, just like in the video, you will see that only the materials between two planes will bend. And here is the final shape of our hammerhead. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel to see my other videos.